This 5-minute solution will show you how to boost Mobile Legends Bang Bang speed on low-end devices. So to play Mobile Legends in high graphics, follow these quick solutions. Open your Mobile Legends app and tap on the settings icon at the top right. Select the basic tab and here turn off outline, turn off screen shake, turn off HD mode, turn off shadow, turn off damage text, then refresh rate select high, graphics select smooth. Now select the network tab. Here turn on speed mode, turn on network boost, and then relaunch the Mobile Legends app and the second solution is free up your iPhone storage. You can offload or uninstall unnecessary apps from your iPhone to free up your iPhone storage. So that's how you can boost Mobile Legends speed on low-end devices. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.